Hi and welcome back. So in the last video we looked at the if statement. We even looked at an example. So in this video let's look at an if-else statement. If this statement is true, then this will be done. However, if the statement here is not true, it is false, then the statement here will get run. The code which is inside here will get run. So this is good for something that we call defensive programming. So this is whereby at least you try to anticipate if there will be any errors or if there will be certain things that are unexpected. You can do something that is expected to happen here, and then if this doesn't happen, then you can be defensive by trying to make sure that at least whatever issue arises from here, you capture it and handle it within the else statement. In brief, the if-else statement is a way for you to anticipate. If something is not going to happen here, at least make sure you capture it and handle it here. So in this example, let's do this by seeing if a number is even or odd. So when we were looking at the modulo operator, we said that one of the ways that you can tell if a number is even or odd is by using the modulo. So in this example, let's try and use that similar thought in seeing if a number is odd or even. I'll come back here and let me just remove everything except for our int x. Let's say here, this is a number and we just want to see if this number is odd or even. So we're going to say if, let's use the modulo and x modular, and we say that x modulus of 2, if the answer is equivalent to 0, then this number is even. Then we are going to see out. See out is just an output. So we are going to output this statement. This is an even number. And then else, if that is not true, Control C, Control V, this is an odd. This is an even number. So let's remember to add that and also add that. And if we run this, we want to see if this number is an odd number. If it is odd, we are going to get that it is an odd number. So if I run this, so you can see it tells us that this is an odd number. I know you do understand this because we looked at this in the modulo operator, and we say that a modulo will give us a remainder. If a number is divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, therefore that number is an even number. If that remainder is 1, then that number is an odd number. So in this case, if you divide this by 2, there will be a remainder of 1, which makes this an odd number. So you can see here that you can use the modulo to handle that. So if we make this 0 and then we run it, you'll see that now it's an even number. So I hope you do understand the use case of the if and the else statement. So the statement in here must evaluate to true. If this statement is true, then this is getting run. However, if the statement here is false, if this is false, then this is going to get run. And if this one is false, what are you going to do? So that's what we're going to handle in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video.